guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, welcome and I hope you're all doing great. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me, and please turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. With Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up, I'm going to be showing you some of my absolute favorite pieces from DOYOUEVEN. So I'm going to be showing you the limited impact seamless set. Once it's gone, it's gone. So get in quick. I'm going to be reviewing it, trying it on for you guys. Also, there will be gifts at different tiers of the blackout sale. Spend over $250 and receive tier 1, which includes blackout skipping rope, flight bag, protein shaker, all valued at $65 Australian, limited to the first 1,000 customers. Spend over $400 and receive tier 2, which includes blackout hat, water flask, duffel bag, all valued at 125 AUD, limited to the first 500 customers. Alright, we have our box of goodies here. First set I'm going to be showing you guys is the limited impact seamless set. These are the limited sets that will be available online during Black Friday, so keep an eye out for these. First up is the leggings. These are in a size extra small. I absolutely love the impact set, so I'm super happy to get a black one. I just love how soft and comfortable it is, and it's got all the perfect contour lines for your curves to make you look amazing. Loving the thick waistband here. These are high-waisted. Impact sports bra is such a staple. These are just perfect. They are so comfy, really soft and super easy to work out in. So these ones are open back detail, removable pads, adjustable straps, and the thick waistband here is super supportive and really stretchy as well. This is such a cute set, and you really just need the perfect black staple in your wardrobe. This is it. It's so comfortable, so breathable. I can move around in it, no restrictions at all. It's just really flattering. It literally hugs me in all the right places. I am so in love with this set. It looks and it feels absolutely amazing. But don't forget the straps are also adjustable as well if they are a little long. I'm absolutely loving the open back detail and the thick waistband, just everything about this set. The leggings are the perfect length on me. I'm about 152 centimeters and they just fit so nice and snugly. I love the contour lines. I love the high waist. It's just everything about it super duper comfy. I love how this set is so beautiful but also so functional at the same time. Absolutely a win for me. Next up, we've got the Scrunch set, which is the current set that I'm wearing now, and this time we've got it in the color khaki. So we've got the Khaki Leggings. This is in a size extra small. These leggings, I've already tried them and they are just so comfy. Absolutely love them. The waistband is once again really thick, so it's great for compression. It's also a scrunch bottom at the back, so it contours your bum and lifts them up. I love the shade of this khaki. It's so beautiful. It's also super stretchy as well. Onto the sports bra. This is the exact sports bra that I'm wearing here, just in different colors. It's got racer back detail, removable pads, super supportive waistband here. This also has the contour lines throughout the sports crop, so it's actually really flattering, and this is so stretchy too. Absolutely love it, probably just as much as my orange and pink set. I love this color. It's just such a beautiful color. The sports bra is the perfect size for me. It's so comfortable, provides me with so much support. I'm loving the racer back detail as well, and then the cute little logo here. Contour lines really know how to work its magic. This top makes me look and feel amazing. Onto leggings. The leggings are also the perfect fit. It just fits so perfectly around my waist. The length is just exactly right, and I absolutely love the scrunch at the back. It doesn't make me feel uncomfortable, and they just know your curves. It hugs you in all the right places. I have absolutely nothing bad to say about this set. So in love. Next up, we have the Hyperflex set in lavender purple. This is such a beautiful color. Leggings we got in a size extra small. Literally so obsessed with this color. So this seamless material is lightweight, stretchy. It feels so soft and smooth. The leggings again have this really thick compressive waistband, which I absolutely love. Also the contour lines as well, super duper flattering. The sports crop has a racer back design as well. The thick contouring at the bottom for extra support. Removable padded cups, really stretchy and just so cute. This pastel purple is so beautiful. I think I have almost every single color in this series now because I just absolutely love this set. I love the fitting of the sports crop. It's simple, it's basic, but it's just so comfy and just really easy to work out in. The thick waistband here gives you the flexibility to move and jump around in. I just think this color is so pretty, and just the fitting of it, super flattering. The leggings also perfect around my waist, perfect length, absolutely flattering. It's so comfortable, really easy to move in. This is just such a cute set together. I am absolutely feeling this color combo, so this will definitely be one of my favorite sets. Contour lines underneath my butt area is just so flattering. I know I've loved every single set so far. Tell me I don't look good. These sets make me look and feel amazing. Next up, we have the Stretch Lite set. The material is exactly like the title, stretchable, lightweight, and super soft. This material just feels so smooth. These ones are not seamless, but it also has a really thick waistband for that extra support. It's super duper stretchy and flexible. It's got the big Do You Even logo at the bottom, and at the top, I absolutely love this color. Sports crop is also a racer back, and I got this in a size small. I'm absolutely loving this metallic band detail here. It's got the logo across, so pretty. It's lightweight, breathable, and it does have removable cups and padding as well. Very stretchy too. Super comfy. It's actually so soft and smooth. It's just so nice to touch. I am so in love with the metallic waistband. It's just so pretty, and it's pink. It's in my favorite color. I feel like this material is actually not as tight as the seamless, which is why I probably should have gone down to extra small, which is my normal size, but that's okay because these still fit and they're still really comfy. The leggings on this are also perfect length. Everything is just the exact length on me. The waist bit just feels so smooth, and it doesn't have that extra elastic around the band. This whole outfit is just so cute and comfy. And the last set is the staple crop set. So we've got the crop top and the shorts, both in a size extra small. So this is the cropped jumper. It's in a nice beautiful blue color. Oh, so cute. I am so obsessed with this color and just how soft and just comfy this feels. Sort of like a boxy fit in a soft cotton blend. Just perfect for those chill casual days. It also has quite a bit of stretch to it as well. And it's got the embroidered logo in the front. Super duper cute. Let's have a look at the matching shorts. These are just so adorable. These are high-waisted, and the waistband is so stretchy. There's kind of like a hidden zipped up pocket on the side, so it's super convenient to wear. Also super duper soft. I feel like I could sleep in these. This cropped and short set, so adorable. I don't know what I did without this. This is just the cutest thing ever. It's so comfy, so soft, so stretchy. I can literally just lay down and fall asleep in these. These would be so amazing for a walk, a workout, just everything. It's just so perfect, so comfy, so soft. I love the fitting of the crop jumper. It's just perfect on me. This is a size extra small, and it's not too tight. You can definitely still wear things inside when it does get a little bit chilly, but it's just so cute. The sleeves are perfect as well. They're not too long, and it's just like a really relaxed fit. As for the shorts, I'm loving the high waist, and I just love the thick waistband. It's so stretchy and elastic. You don't actually really need the drawstrings, but it is there for backup if it is a little too loose for you. I just love the length of it, the fitting, just everything about it. It's such a cute everyday set. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of our Do You Even haul. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Please remember to smash that like button for me. It really means a lot. And remember to hit subscribe if you do want to see more videos from me. Let me know which pieces you ended up grabbing. Happy shopping, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.